Can a YouTube TV record? YouTube TV includes a cloud DVR feature, allowing users to record live TV, movies, and shows without storage limits. This feature enables users to watch content later, skip commercials, and even download some recordings for offline viewing. However, there are some restrictions on how long recordings are saved and how they can be accessed. 1. Unlimited cloud DVR storage. YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR storage, meaning users can record as many shows, movies, and live events as they want without worrying about running out of space. This feature is included in all subscription plans. 2. How long recordings are saved. Recorded content is automatically deleted after 9 months. There is no option to extend this period, so users must watch their saved content before it expires. 3. Recording multiple shows at once. Unlike traditional DVRs, YouTube TV allows users to record multiple shows simultaneously without conflicts. This means you can record multiple live events airing at the same time. 4. How to record on YouTube TV. Step 1. Open YouTube TV and search for the show, movie, or event you want to record. Step 2. Click the plus add to library button next to the title. Step 3. The content is now added to your DVR library and will automatically record when it airs. Step 4. To access recordings, go to the Library tab and select your saved content. Step 5. Watch anytime before it expires after 9 months. 5. Watching and skipping ads on recordings. Most recorded content allows users to fast forward through commercials, but some on-demand versions of recorded shows may include unskippable ads if the broadcaster replaces the recording with an on-demand version. 6. Downloading recorded content for offline viewing. Subscribers to the YouTube TV 4K Plus add-on can download recordings to their mobile devices for offline viewing. This feature is not available in the standard plan. 7th, simultaneous streaming of recordings. YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams, meaning multiple users in the family group can watch different recorded content at the same time. 8. No manual deletion needed. Since YouTube TV has unlimited DVR storage, users don't need to manually delete recordings to free up space. The system automatically removes content after 9 months. YouTube TV's Cloud DVR provides an easy way to record unlimited content with automatic storage management. While recordings expire after 9 months, users can watch fast forward through most ads and even download content with the 4K Plus add-on for offline viewing.